Okay.
Love you, we miss you.
Okay po, Brad Ronin, message.
Happy birthday, Mr. and Mrs. Joe and Hilda Yu.
Many more birthdays to come. Ako na ba na yun?
Oh, sige, personal message.
Manang, happy birthday and I love you. We miss you.
Okay, sige po. Thank you.
Hilda, happy birthday. Happy anniversary. May the Lord bless you. We miss you. Lord bless you. We miss you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Tito, tsaka tita. Tito, belated happy birthday. Tapos kay tita,
advance happy birthday.
Wish namin more birthday to come and tsaka good health tsaka strength pa.
Ano yung sasabihin ko? Yung tita, advance happy birthday, tsaka kay tito, belated happy birthday. Yun, yung wish namin, marami pang birthday na darating pa. Para, yun, at tsaka, strength pa. Yun.
Okay.
Birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Ma, happy birthday. Happy anniversary din. Merry Christmas tsaka Happy New Year. Sana pinipipin namin yung good health tsaka many more blessings. Tsaka Papa, magpakabait ha. Yeah.
Hello, Mama and Papa. Happy birthday and belated kay Papa. I pray na i-bless ni God yung desire ng heart nyo, whatever it is. Si God lang nakakaalam yung kung ano yung will para sa inyo. I pray na marami pang birthday na darating.
Starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know.
Mrs. Yu! Kain na!
Sandali lang, nagme-makeup pa.
Mrs. Yu!
Mr. Yu, bakit?
Postiso ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, I can't eat without you eh.
On my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile.